Day 3 of trying to vlog, and I've decided, because I'm so motherfucking bored and I've been looking like the same, like no makeup and disgusting for 3 days straight, I think I should now go for a shower, put some makeup on, and make some TikTok. Look more like the usual Tiffany again. I just need to dry my hair next now. This is taking bloody forever, like this getting ready like, video. Normally it takes me half an hour, because today I wash my hair as well, so it's gonna take longer. And then this Aesop hair oil. I don't know if I should put moisturizer on after I put a mask on. I'll just do. And then nose. Let's see if it can focus. Right, how do these YouTube people do it? Okay, there you go. This is not actually my usual foundation that I use. I don't usually put much foundation on. I usually use the Innisfree BB cushion. I've kind of ran out of it. Concealer to conceal my bloody dark circle. Oh yeah, and I still use like the BB cushion as a sort of like blending pad that they have, because I think it's actually really good. Like, it doesn't absorb much of the product and it does a good job at blending. Because normally if I don't do a heavy makeup day, I don't even put foundation on, but I feel like I haven't put makeup on in ages and I'm filming, so I might as well put a little bit of powder. I use the... Oh, how do these YouTube people do it, man? I use the Pony Effect compact powder. I like this because it just has like the cushion thing and the actual powder all in one box. Next off, I'm doing my brows. I use the oh, is there even any point in doing this? No one cares. Bro, just focus. Anyway, I'm using the Anastasia brow pencil. I'm not gonna lie, I think I've got it a shade too light, because normally I like my brow quite dark. If I don't have it like darkened, I look like I'm really tired. No technique. I just fill in whatever I need. Like I have quite a lot of natural brow hair. I don't really need much like makeup on it. And then next we are gonna do mascara. I use the Lancome Hypnose. I'm just gonna do my mascara like not on camera because I can't use this mirror. Okay, mascara and the teeniest tiny bit of eyeliner is done. Next is blush and a bit of highlight. I don't really use highlight. I feel like blush is so important. I never used to like realise how pale without blush. It also like sort of brightens up like the whole face. Then I use the same brush. I just use the other side for my highlight. Put some lippy on. And I also think lipstick's really important. I never used to realise how like ugly I was without lipstick. Like you just look more put together. Yeah. Bing. Oh, and this is the MAC Mocha. Yeah. Don't know why I'm saying this. No one is gonna ask me what fucking shade it is. Oh my god, I finally look a bit more normal. This is how I normally look. For the past like 3 days I've been looking like shit. Actually for the past week, because I started filming 3 days ago, but I've actually been that state for the past fucking week. And then my earrings in. Oh, and my necklace. There you go. She done. Finally. I put a really simple outfit on. I feel like recently these cardigan, like sort of cropped cardigan, is like in trend again. And I happen to have a cardigan like this from when I was like, I don't know, 12.
Start your computations.
Oh, I can't wait for my tripod to come. That'll be so much easier. But this is my breakfast. You can probably still hear her, but basically she's busy. She's been having like calls, like ongoing calls, for ages about like what's gonna happen to Tiffany. Before I learn all the TikTok dance and stuff, I might just finish my like the 1.5 episode I have left of Itaewon class. He's such a bae. And the girl's actually really pretty as well. I really like her. Oh, this is actually hard. I'm like sweating already. Oh. I found this woman who does the choreography, the tutorial of this dance, and it has like the instruction in like words as well. Right, I'm gonna try to actually film it now. Let me actually put my hair down. What the fuck? That was the first attempt. I am so grossed out. But I'll try to film another one. Because I've learned to dance already, I might as well make a good one. I'm so bored. We're going out again for, oh shit, this motherfucking sunlight. We never get it when we are not on quarantine, especially in freaking Manchester, but hang on. We are going out to get more groceries because yesterday we didn't get everything. Strawberries! Finally found some strawberries. I think it's pretty stocked up in here, you know. Yo, it's actually so stocked up. Oh my god, compared to yesterday at the Tesco, this is super stocked up. Look at this, look at this, what the fuck. They're so full. I think it's a good thing to buy more fruits. Let's say if we want to have a snack, have like an apple instead of like a plum instead. It's a healthy snack option. Legal. Why do they put a cake up straight like this? It's stupid. Some of them are limited to 2, some of them are limited to 4. That was a success. Now we can go home. Go home. You're such a psycho. Lazy people food. It's literally a Tesco pasta bake. Ay, ay, ay. Look at how cute it is next to the flower. I didn't intend to put them next to each other. Like, it's just so aesthetically pleasing me. She never bakes or she never cooks, and she made a nice looking cake. Yeah, I made a cake. Now I don't know what to say because I made a cake. Like I said, I didn't have strawberries yesterday and went to Morrison's today before the lockdown and managed to decorate it finally. Look at how cute it is. I mean, it's not amazing, but it's a good enough cheesecake. Wait, is that how people do thumbnails? But this cake is gonna collapse. Never mind, I'm just no. Anyway, let's cut it and have a bite. Oh my god. Tastes just like a cheesecake. Oh my god. I like it. Well, I think I'm just gonna end the vlog here because I've got nothing else to do anyway. I think I'm just gonna watch Netflix or something with my friends on Netflix party. But yeah, thank you for watching. If you're still watching, wouldn't be surprised if you left earlier. Let's see if I actually edit this and make another one. I probably will because we're on quarantine.